show you how to polish front forks. Right now you can see it, the fork doesn't look that bad. It's a little dusty because it's been in the garage all winter. But you can see it doesn't look bad. I cleaned it last year. It came out really nice. It's due for another cleaning. So I'm just going to hit it up and see if we can get this to shine even better. I like to clean my bike at least once a year, go through it, do a real good cleaning while I'm doing the maintenance before the season starts. Use a drill that's got an extra handle on it so you get more control of it. You can hold it. It's easier to work with. The reason I'm using a taper buffing pad or comb is because I can get inside a little bit easier. I'm not going to cover the fender or anything. I'm just going to be careful, try not to hit it. But if you want, you can cover your fenders and stuff. If you wanted to be super careful, take everything off. The wheel, the fender, and that way you can get on the inside too. Which is what I did last year when I first bought the bike. As you can see, the inside's pretty clean too. But we'll hit that by hand on the inside. Alright, this one's not too bad, but there's some defects here. There's a couple of big scratches in there that probably won't get out. But we're going to hit this with the 1000 grit sandpaper. We're going to wet sand it. This is actually the biggest step right here, the wet sanding. Alright, start with 1000 grit to get all the crap off. If you do a good job with the sanding, you're going to get a real nice shine. The trick is to get the aluminum as smooth as possible. So if your forks are really bad shape, what you can do is you can start out with like a 400 grit, work your way up to like an 800 grit, and then final will be 1000 grit. Alright, that looks pretty smooth. And then we'll use the white rouge first. See how it just took out all the scratch marks from the sandpaper and smoothed it right out. Now I'm just going to switch over to the Jeweler's Rouge, which is the brown. Give it a little nice fine touch. Alright, you can already see that's 100% better, nice and smooth. Now I'm happy with the way it is, it's nice and shiny. So to finish it off, I'm going to use a Mother's foam comb. Now don't kid yourself, right? This is video, I shorten it down. It takes a long time to get it like this, alright? So you got to do your sanding really good. And then you have to work the polish into that, or the rouge, alright? Start with the white, because it's the rough rouge. And if you want to go a step further, go with the Jeweler's Rouge, the brown stuff, which is finer. It'll make it nice and perfectly smooth almost. You know, I got a little defects in here, but I'm not sanding this down to get all the defects out. I just want to make it clean and look, you know, look nice. Look almost like chrome. So I'm just going to hit for the last stage using a Mother's foam comb. And you get these at any AutoZone, you know, car parts place. And I'm going to take some Mother's magnet aluminum polish and just finish it up real quick. I'm just going to put it on there and then I'll work it in with the comb. You don't need a whole lot, but you know, enough to clean your thing up, your aluminum. The fork. do it with my hand. Whatever I can get with the comb. Okay, come back. Yeah, I'm so close to these sometimes. Like I said, this is not something you can do in a half hour. It takes time to polish aluminum. You know, you see these videos on YouTube and you think, oh, look at that, it's a 10-minute job, but it's not. Don't kid yourself. Now, if you want to get this looking like chrome, I think it looks perfect the way it is now, but if you want to get this looking like, sand it down first, wherever imperfections you have. Use the right rouge to get the scratch marks out. If you want to go a step further, use the brown rouge, the jeweler's rouge. It'll get it even finer. And then just get some Mother's Magna aluminum polish. It'll look really good. I already did the other side. I'll show you what that looks like. There you have it. Almost looks like chrome. I could get it to a chrome finish, but that's good enough for me. You guys want to get it to a chrome finish, just keep polishing. Alright, so that's the gist on the cleaning the forks on a Harley Davidson or any bike. Some bikes are worse than others. When I got this bike, it was in real bad condition, so I did a lot of sanding. And like I said, don't let these videos fool you. There's a lot of manual work that's cut out to make the videos not so long, you know. You don't want to see somebody sanding something for hours. Once a year I'll do this. It'll maintain the aluminum on the bike. It'll keep it in good condition, looking good. Alright, I hope these steps were helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Please subscribe, share my videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.